Et salut les gars, c'est Chevy. On se retrouve aujourd'hui pour la dernière partie de Walking Dead, saison 2. On va terminer ça aujourd'hui tranquillement. On était arrivé, pour récapituler, à un moment où il y avait beaucoup de morts. On a perdu Luc, on a perdu qui encore On a perdu la demi-connasse. Bon bref, on était plutôt dans la merde. Donc vous, 85% des joueurs avaient protégé le bébé. Ouais, c'était vrai, un des premiers choix de l'épisode. Et vous, les 50,7% des joueurs n'avaient pas essayé d'aider Luc. Ouais, bon, effectivement, il y a une moitié de lâches, ça peut se comprendre. Enfin bref. Allez, on va y retourner. Alors, je vais pas faire l'enfoiré. Comme c'est le dernier épisode, je vous laisse 5 minutes de pause. Vous allez chercher les pop-corn, le coca, la bière, le whisky, ce que vous voulez à boire, les mouchoirs, pas pour vous branler bien sûr, parce que vous allez chialer à la fin. Et on lance ça d'ici 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. Temps de faire un petit pipi aussi. Bon allez, je voulais jusqu'à 6 minutes mais c'est bien parce que c'est vous. À tout à l'heure les gars. Et yo, on est de retour. Tout le monde est là? Quoi, comment ça Maurice il attend? Oh, on va attendre Maurice 2 minutes. Et- C'est bon, Momo est là. Allez, on est parti. On a bien pensé à régler son casque. Chef fait des épisodes plus courts. Ah, ils n'ont pas fini de se plaindre, oui.
What did she have to say? I know she was running her mouth. What did she say?
You shouldn't have done that to Arvo.
I know, Clem, but
I
Luke.
don't care. You can't do that.
Jesus,
Exactement.
Clem, you know me. You know I'm not like that.
You scared me. You scared all of us, Kenny.
It won't happen again. That's a promise.
Ouais, promise mon cul, oui.
What happened? It's over. But AJ needs us now. We gotta stick together on this thing, alright? Come on. Let's see if the truck's gonna go.
J'ai 11 ans et je suis mécanicienne. Bordel.
My daddy always had a half dozen wrecks he was fixing up. He was a mean son of a bitch. But he taught me respect. A girl like Jane could learn a thing or two about that.
I like her. Just give her some time.
Maybe you're right. Hell, I didn't know what to make of Lee at first. Of course,
Exactement.
he helped me in mine more times than I can remember.
Jane helped us back on the road.
All right, give it a turn.
Ok, let's go. On a récupéré avant. Ouh, Mexico! Arriba, arriba! Nope. Mon avis, c'est le joint de culasse.
With a little bit of luck, I can get this thing running, and then we can get out on the road and really make some distance. Wellington's gotta be out there.
Oui, tu devais être quelque
Those
part, ouais.
rumors can't all be bunk. I mean, hell, there's gotta be something out here, other than snow and goddamn Euro trash.
Sounds good to me.
We're gonna make it, Clem. I know it.
Mais oui, on va surtout tous
All right,
crever.
turn it again. Did you turn it?
Yes.
God damn it!
Ah non, mais insiste, mec, il faut le temps que le moteur y repart.
We'll get it working.
Ah oui.
We gotta get moving if we're gonna keep AJ alive. We're running out of time. I gotta get this thing to start. Gonna try warming up the battery.
Réchauffer la
Warm
batterie.
inside. I don't like leaving him with that girl.
C'est complètement con, ça. Écoute, je connais bien l'automobile. Réchauffer une batterie, pourquoi pas. C'est la première fois que j'entends parler de ça. Bon, Kenny, il faut qu'on parle.
Need any help?
I'm fine. Go check on AJ.
Ok, c'est bon, regarde-le ton sale caractère. Ah, ça c'est le côté portugais de Clémentine qui sort. Bon, ça c'est un beau tractopelle. Oh,
We
ça
should
c'est une
finish
belle
this
pelleteuse.
place.
Bonjour. Hello. Comment que vous allez?
What
Ah,
do
des
you
clubs.
want?
I just wanted to see how you were.
How do you think? It must be nice being a pretty little girl. No one ever expects you to do a damn thing.
Pardon? Qu'est-ce que tu viens de
You
dire
and I
là?
both know you had a chance to save Luke.
Elle
You
est
and I
cramée,
both
elle.
know what happened back there. I got nothing more to say to you.
Mais c'est quoi cette conne? J'ai 10 ans. 10 ans, putain.
Looks broken.
Bon, on va pas essayer de le démarrer parce que si ça fait du bruit, ça va attirer du monde, ça va être une mauvaise idée ça. Non, on va y rentrer. On s'occupera de l'autre connasse plus tard. Putain, j'hallucine quoi. C'est moi qui dirige toute l'équipe et on me reproche d'être trop jeune. Non mais c'est quoi ce bordel là?
Hey. Mike and Arvo wouldn't shut up, so I moved him in here. seen that look before.
Son of a bitch.
That boy within an inch of his life. We are way past fine. I know
Il faut
Kenny's a
arrêter de me
nice
casser les
guy,
couilles.
Clem. I bet Carver was a nice guy too. Once. Probably had a nice job and a nice, pretty wife. Then all this happened. And one day he caved some kid's face in and realized he could sleep at night.
Kenny isn't Carver. He just made a mistake.
All I'm saying is, start thinking about what happens if you're wrong. You two have known each other a long time. Sooner or later, you're gonna have
Yo
to
Laure,
decide how much
comment
that's
tu vas?
worth. I think it needs food or something.
C'est un peu à toi de t'occuper du môme, hein, à la base, t'avais dit connasse. Faut arrêter de se foutre la gueule du monde comme ça.
Seems like you've done that before.
C'est pas de la neurochirurgie.
I guess we're getting close.
That's what worries me.
Oh là là, qu'elle arrête de se la jouer sombre comme ça. Incroyable ça.
There's not much left.
I was running with some people a long time ago, down near DC. Some guy got trapped in the middle of a crosswalk. Can't remember his name. He used to call me Mary Jane. He was a douchebag.
C'était Spider-Man.
Anyway, the dick got stuck under a car hiding from a dozen walkers. One after another, they went down there trying to save him. Lost four
Oh,
people
t'inquiète,
before
t'as
we
rien
found
raté
out.
d'important.
So we made it?
Juste Bonnie qui nous a tapé un speech parce que on était qu'une gamine de 10 ans qui avait rien fait pour Luke.
Turned and ripped the neck right out of this old lady. The look on her face was... She was just staring up at the sky, like she was watching a bird. Look, Clem,
Kenny a pas failli réussir à démarrer. Ah voilà.
You got it working.
Allons-y, let's go. C'est parti les amis.
It works? What'd I tell you?
Ah mais les tabacs.
how much food do we have?
At least a week.
And for the baby?
We need to find a place for the baby.
Yeah, someplace warm.
I agree. We should head back south.
What?
We're gonna freeze to death. I don't know whose stupid idea it was to march up here in the first place, but it was a bad one.
She's right.
What if we went back to house?
Wait, what? Fuck that. I was thinking more like Texas.
Texas? The fuck?
It was just an idea.
We already talked about this.
I'm sorry. We did?
We're going to find Wellington. Right, Clem?
Wellington?
Kenny, it's freezing up here, man.
It's only gonna get worse.
We don't have to leave right now. Let's just sleep on it.
Well, that sounds sensible.
Damn it, we don't have time.
Says you.
Ah,
Look, I
arrêtez,
don't
vous êtes
give
pas...
two shits about what you people think. I got this truck working, so I say where we go. And we're heading fucking north. It's the best chance we got of helping AJ.
What about Arvo?
Who? Oh, the Rusky? Yeah, he ain't coming with us.
You're just gonna leave him here?
I don't give a good goddamn where he goes. He's done.
We have to bring him with us.
Ah ouais, Kenny,
He
faut
knows
arrêter
the
tes conneries.
area. He can help us.
Oh yeah, some help he's been. He got Luke killed.
I ain't gonna say he helped the situation, but maybe if you eased up on him before, he wouldn't have run away in the first place. Think about that, Kenny.
Either way, I'm not going anywhere in the middle of the night.
Yeah, me neither. There could be a herd out there.
You want that child's blood on your hands, Mike?
We're all gonna die out here if you don't calm the fuck down, Kenny.
Haven't we been through enough for one day?
Jesus fucking Christ. Remember the last time we had a working car and sat around on our asses, Clem?
I'm going inside.
Attends, je vais regarder moi en lançant sur mon téléphone
God
si ça lag.
damn it!
You can't just walk away from us.
Ouais, enfin Kenny, il pète un plomb aussi, hein. Ça devient grave. Ouais, merde, hein. Il est plus logique.
You better talk some sense into him.
Tu ferais mieux de le raisonner.
For his sake.
Eh, tu me parles pas comme ça, négro.
God damn it! That stupid fucking... Get the fuck out of here!
It's me.
Clem. Sorry, just give me a second. Get the fuck out of Close the door.
Ouais, apparemment ça a l'air d'être propre, moi, sur l'appli en tout cas.
Can you believe this, Clem? I bring them a working truck, and they act like I just shit in their cereal. I knew Jane'd have a stick up her ass, but I thought at least Mike'd have more sense. He's turned out to be a real disappointment.
They're scared of you, Kenny.
Well, if their big plan is to wander around in the woods, they ought to be scared of more than me.
Did you hear me?
We're all scared. Look, we got maybe a day's worth of food for that kid left. That's it. Clem, think about Rebecca and Alvin. I mean, what if Lee hadn't gone tearing across half of Georgia looking for you? A lot of folks died to make that happen. A lot of folks died to get us this far. We owe it to them to see this done.
Maybe he shouldn't have.
Don't you say that.
Ouais, c'est clair, hein. Je t'avouerais qu'il y a de quoi péter un plomb aussi, hein.
You know what he sacrificed for you? What I did? That means something, damn it. I wish Lee was here.
C'est clair que ça part d'une bonne intention, mais
What'd you think he'd say?
enfin, faut pas partir dans l'extrême, quoi.
I think he'd tell me to try to keep the group together.
We can't just give up on this kid. I mean, what's the point of going on after that? That's what people like Lee knew, and what people like Jane won't ever understand.
C'est une autre
I
manière
know
de
Wellington
survivre.
might be bullshit, but where there's smoke, there's fire. Krista heard about it too, right? You know, when I first saw you back at that lodge, thought I was dreaming. And when you sat down next to me and we shared that meal, well, I could tell that you were different now, grown up. I felt pride. A pride I hadn't felt in a long time. But I need you now, Clem. There have to be folks doing better than us. It's the only chance that child has.
Something has to be out here. We'll find it, Kenny.
I knew I could count on you, Clem. Look, we'll figure everything out in the morning. Come on, let's get some sleep. So we gotta be ready.
Ouais, c'est clair, il est pas mal. Mais niveau tension, c'est chaud, quoi. Là, tu sens que c'est la fin, donc il y a plus de bon ou de mauvais choix. C'est juste, tu fais un choix et t'assumes. Tu sais très bien que, forcément, on te reprochera le choix que t'as fait un peu plus tard, ou même immédiatement dans l'épisode, quoi. Et c'est pas fini. Ah, tu me fais penser à la pub SFR, quoi. Non, putain, non. Mais non, faites pas ça, bande de cons. Oh, moi je les braque, rien à foutre.
Mike.
Sérieux?
Easy. Easy now.
Step back.
Clem. Shit.
What are you doing?
Ah, je pensais que c'était mon gars sûr.
Clem.
Sérieux? Falcon!
We're just leaving.
Sans la voiture.
Now keep it down, all right? Nobody else has to get involved.
Slow down.
Just gotta get away from that guy, Clem. Okay?
Who? Kenny?
Clem, damn it, we don't have time for this.
Come on, Mike. Let's just go.
All right, Clem. Now I'm gonna walk up to you nice and slow, and you're gonna give me the gun, okay? And then we'll talk.
Why are you doing this?
He didn't give us any choice.
Si, il y a le choix.
Он злой человек.
I'm sorry, Clem.
Non, vous partez pas avec la bagnole. Vous voulez partir, vous partez, mais sans la bagnole.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
I'll shoot.
There we go. There we go.
Putain, Clem.
It's fine. Just
What?
Clem! Jesus!
God, Mike, you have to go. Just leave her.
Sérieux?
What the fuck did you do? Clem, what did you do?
Oh, Kenny va péter un plomb. Ah, Kenny va devenir fou. Mais non, Paris, arrête, elle va pas mourir, t'es fou, toi. Me fais pas peur comme ça. Donc c'est dire quoi, dans saison 3, on va incarner qui, le bébé? Bonjour, j'ai 2 ans et demi et je suis survivaliste.
Clem! Clementine!
What? What?
Lee?
It's just a bad dream, sweet pea.
Dang. Putain, ils sont encore dans le train?
What was it about? Duck?
He's bit.
We don't know how this works yet. Maybe it's like a cold.
Non, c'est un flashback.
His mom's a doctor. Maybe she can help him. When I was a kid, I never got sick. But my brother always had something.
It's not like a cold.
No, it's probably not.
J'avoue que ce serait un rebondissement de ouf, mais non, c'est pas possible.
Why?
I called him a crybaby when I hid the bug in his pillow.
Oh, that's okay, honey. You didn't mean it.
Non.
Lee,
Putain, tu me fous le doute avec tes conneries.
why did Lily do that to Doug?
I don't know. She was sad, Clem. That can make people angry sometimes.
Have you ever been that angry?
One time. Clem, people don't always make sense.
How come?
Because bad things happen to everyone. And it's hard to keep being yourself after they do. Do you think we should have let Lily stay?
I don't think so.
I don't know. Wasn't easy. I don't know if we did the right thing.
How can you tell?
Well, it's not like math, Clem. Sometimes there just isn't a right answer.
I hate math.
Me too, Sweet Pea.
Sweet
Part
Pea,
of growing up is
Sweet
doing
Pea.
what's best for the people you care about. Even if sometimes that means hurting someone else.
I don't want to hurt anyone.
Non, arrête
It's
tes
not that
conneries.
easy.
Pourquoi tu fous la merde comme ça?
I'm scared, Lee.
What can I tell you to make it better?
That it'll be okay.
It will. It's gonna get better, Clem. You'll make it better. Everything's gonna be all right.
Ça me rappelle une musique. Bah non, c'est pas une fin, ça, arrête tes conneries. Non, parce que si c'est ça, on arrête le live tout de suite. Hein,
Let's
on-
try to get some sleep.
Okay, Lee.
Salut Théro. Et ouais, en fait, c'est le live de la pédophilie. De toute façon, tous les Renois veulent se taper la gamine. Je suis pas raciste pour là, mais comment c'est inquiétant au point de vue des Renois. Hein. Toute la nuit noire, trophée
On the
obtenu.
left. Slow down.
Eh ben ça va et toi? Comment va donc notre grand streamer international? Poisson de Mars.
Hey, you.
Clem.
Enculé.
Oh, thank God.
You passed out from the shock.
What happened?
That piece of shit Rusty shot you.
We had to run the truck to keep you warm. How do you feel?
It hurts.
Couldn't find the bullet. Must have gone clean through.
Ah non, j'avoue, ouais, tu m'as sûrement mis le doute. Ouais.
You'll be fine.
Those sons of bitches. I mean, I expected it from the Russian. But Mike? I could tell they were working on something.
I didn't think they'd go that far.
Yeah, well, who would steal our food and shoot a kid? You never should have thrown in with trash like that in the first place.
I
Ouais,
should
c'est
have
ça,
done
c'est ton
something.
faillot.
They
Ouais.
took off on foot.
Didn't get this puppy thanks to you.
Now that Clem's awake, we should talk about where we're going.
We're headed north.
What, to find Wellington?
You sure talk a lot of shit, but you got a better plan?
We head south. Back to House.
Carver's camp. The fuck kind of plan is that?
I think Bonnie said there was more formula back there. And we actually know where it is.
I don't care where we go. Just please, stop arguing.
She's the one that's going off.
Because you won't listen to a thing I'm saying.
What's that? You're talking into my bad ears, sweetheart?
The Culling, c'est quoi ça?
Jackass.
Oh, I still can't hear you.
Look, even if there is someplace up here, it could take us weeks to find it. We could get back to House in a day.
Tell you what, we can turn around just as soon as you pry this wheel from my cold, dead fingers. How's that sound?
Whatever. I give up.
Get your feet off the dash.
Let's play again,
Violence.
Clem. I spy with my little eye an asshole. Your turn.
Grow up.
Go to hell.
I'll pull this fucking car over.
Go ahead.
You want to die out here?
Better than waiting to die next to you.
You're both being children.
Me? I couldn't see the damn road.
Bet you're having trouble seeing a lot of things these days.
You shut your fucking mouth.
Oh ça,
I'm
oh
done
ça
playing
taille.
games with you, Jay.
Fuck you. You don't know a damn thing about me.
Oh, I know exactly what you are. Nothing. Nobody cares about you. And you don't care about nobody but yourself. That makes you nothing.
What is it with you? It's
Je
your
veux voir.
family, right?
Don't.
It is, isn't it?
I'm
Oh, c'est un
warning you.
DayZ sur une
You're
valise.
just another type A
En
asshole
mode,
trying to save a
tout-
bunch
tout
of
le
dead
monde.
people.
Don't you fucking talk about them.
Watch the road.
I am, goddammit. You listen to me. You mouth off about my family, and I will fucking end you.
Jesus Christ, I'm so sick of this wounded warrior crap. Just pull over. I can't take this.
What? Running away again? What a fucking shocker. In the end, you still only care about yourself, right?
And where were you when Sarita died, Kenny? Huh? Where were you?
I was there. I couldn't. God damn you, I love that woman!
Jane, Kenny loves Sarita.
Of course he did. He loves having anyone around that does what he says. It's why he loves this kid so much. It can't talk back yet.
Fuck you.
You know the thing about people like you, Kenny? You're just a bomb waiting to go off. Everyone talks about you behind your back because they're afraid of you.
That ain't
Mike,
true.
Bonnie, Sarita.
Fucking liar, that ain't true.
Everyone around you knows that sooner or later, they're gonna end up dead. Sarita knew it, I know it, and so does Clementine.
I told you not to talk about my family.
Fuck you!
You fucking piece of shit.
Go to hell, you son of a bitch!
Jesus.
Faut peut-être pas déconner, t'étais largement le temps de freiner tranquillement.
How's AJ?
He's fine.
You sure?
Yes.
Clem, you all right?
Yeah.
Kenny, I'm...
Wait, hold on.
Go around.
Ils avaient conduit lentement, trophée débloqué.
We shouldn't stop here.
We're running on fumes. Got no choice. When I holler, it's okay. Drive up closer. Anything happens, I'll try to meet you there.
Ouais, ça a l'air space ton truc en fait, Tom.
Right?
If you're going, go now.
Kenny.
Fucking asshole. God! I can't do this anymore. I'm serious, Clem. I tried, but I just can't.
You're both losing it.
Clem, everyone's like that around him. You know that.
Théro, il lag pour toi le live ou pas?
Right now.
Are you serious? What about AJ?
Look, I know you're close to him, but Kenny would never let him go. This is our chance, Clem. Don't you ever want to know what it's like to live your own life?
C'est quoi ça? Kenny?
It's snowing. Why are they moving?
They must not be cold enough yet. Fuck! Get us out of here!
I don't know how to drive.
See that pedal on the floor? Step on it!
Ah, t'as 200 mégabits de Renault.
What are you doing? Hurry up!
J'ai 10 ans et je suis taxi professionnel.
Get out of there! The door is stuck! Shit! Shit! There are more of them! Move! Clem! Clem, hurry! Get out! Hurry!
Putain, ça pue pour ma gueule là.
Jane? Jane, wait!
Oh putain! Lâche-moi!
Jane?
Mais laisse tomber, la gamine elle a 11 ans, elle sait tout faire. Elle mange le manioc et tout quoi. Ah, donc c'est tout juste, t'arrives à envoyer des messages sur le chat en fait là. Je te vois bien gueuler. Maman! Éteins la télé! Tu prends toute la ligne! Non, ça c'est un zombie ça. Ça c'est des zombies aussi. On va éviter de tirer au maximum. Je ne sais absolument pas où je vais. C'est ça en fait. Théro, tu peux pas nous dépanner une mégabit? Pas la tienne, hein, une vraie mégabit. Putain, mais je vais où là? En fait, Clem, c'est Bear Grylls quoi. Man versus Wild. Aujourd'hui, on va chasser l'ours et voir notre ruine. Faut celle de Mike, ouais. Ah, mais Mike il nous a abandonnés. On préférait la donner à Bonnie. c'est ultra vite. Je suppose, enfin, bah non, ça se peut, tu peux pas louer ta connexion. À moins que tu vois 4 mecs en bas de chez toi en train de télécharger avec leur PC portable, mais... Ok... Y'a pas une porte plutôt, non? Faut passer par la fenêtre? Ok. Soyez gentil de vous arrêter pour moi. Trophée débloqué.
Jane? Kenny?
You all right?
Ça te
Yeah.
fait?
Where is he? Where's the kid?
He's with her.
You left him with her? Jane? Jane!
Wait,
Oh, thank Christ.
Ouais, c'est bien ce qui me
Jane,
semblait.
you okay? Where's the kid?
Il est où le bébé?
Jane, where is he?
oh my god.
Non, elle a pas fait ça. Non, elle a pas fait ça.
What are you
Non, t'as
saying?
pas fait ça.
No.
Non, 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 non,
No.
non, 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 non.
No, not again. Not again.
Clem, look at me. No matter what happens, just stay out of it. Okay? Just trust me, Clem.
Stay out of what?
You have to trust me. You're gonna see what he really is.
Putain. Ah non, mais non, mais...
Jane, get out of here.
Clem.
Now!
Get out of my way.
Kenny?
Non.
You kill a fucking child!
I didn't kill him! It was an accident, Kenny!
Oh
I
putain,
won't
c'est...
back down from you, Kenny.
Shut up!
I'm warning you.
We can't kill each other! Not after all this! We're all that's left!
Stay out of this, Clem.
Clem, stay back.
Oh putain.
Don't you come near me, you son of a bitch.
Kenny! Get the fuck off!
Fuck you!
Stop! Please! Let... Jane! Oh my God!
Wow.
This is all your fucking fault!
Piece of shit!
Just go.
I ain't going nowhere.
Fucking psycho!
This is on you!
Run!
Not happening.
Please!
Move.
Oh la salope.
I'll fucking kill you!
Ah.
Listen to me!
Get her off!
Putain.
God damn it!
I'll fucking kill you!
I knew you would!
Oh putain. Oh putain. Tirer sur qui ou regarder ailleurs. Oh putain. Oh c'est chaud.
Kenny!
Bordel.
AJ. He's gone, Clem. She just... How could she do that? Oh, Jesus. He's gone. He's...
You didn't have to kill her, Kenny!
I'm sorry, darling. But I did.
Oh putain.
Go! I'm right behind you.
Oh my god, AJ!
Putain, l'espèce d'idiote.
Are you okay? He's alive.
AJ, let me see him. I thought we lost you, buddy. I won't let you out of my sights again.
Then you didn't have to kill her. You didn't have to kill Jane.
It was me or her, Clem. She was trying to kill me, too. If she hadn't lied about Alvin here, it wouldn't have went that far.
Why would she?
She was nuts, Clem. A disturbed person that had her own agenda, that was looking out for herself. Shh. It's all right, buddy. Hey, listen, I didn't want that to happen either. I thought she'd killed Alvy, Clem, and at any point she could have stopped what was happening by saying he was fine. She wanted a fight. I'd never, ever hurt you. You understand? I was protecting you. You believe me, right? Just imagining what she did to Alvy. Everything just went black. By the time I got my head straight, it was too late. We were already at each other's throats.
You're dangerous, Kenny.
You're right, Clem. But I'm trying to change. I'm working on it.
Oh putain, c'est chaud.
Broke inside me a long time ago. And I've just been trying to hold it together, but I'm doing my best. I really am.
I'm leaving.
Clem, please.
I don't want to go, but I have to.
Take AJ with you. He deserves a chance. I don't trust myself with him anymore. He'll have a better shot with you. Go on. Take him.
Bordel.
Okay.
Look at me, Clem. You made it this long. Think about all the other folks that didn't. That makes you special. Don't waste this, okay? You live a good life.
Ouais, non, il
You
commence à
hear
me faire
me?
flipper.
You protect him. You raise him right. You tell him about his mommy and his daddy and how they were good people. You tell him about everyone that worked so hard to keep him safe. Just like
Oh,
me.
c'est chaud.
This is the right decision, Clem. You're right. Like you usually are. I ain't fit to care for y'all anymore. I'm real glad to have met you, Clementine. Now go.
Ouais, si tu le disais pas, c'est moi qui le disais.
Don't
Alors.
you fret, little guy. Big sister's gonna take care of you.
En fait, la gamine, elle est encore plus dans la merde qu'au début du jeu, quoi. Ah non, c'est... Ouais, à mon avis, il y a plus de chances de se sortir comme ça, le gamin. Mais... 9 jours plus tard, elle a bouffé le bébé. Bah attends, je voudrais bien finir le... Parce qu'à mon avis, il y aura plus de show, il y aura plus rien. Je vais juste finir la séquence, et puis ouais, après, je voudrais bien que tu me racontes, là. Putain, il y a une horde en face d'elle, la gamine, elle est... Ah ouais, d'accord. Et voilà, comment est née Michonne. Un coup dans la tête. Ça, c'est une gamine qui a des couilles. Et puis elle y va au KLM, quoi. Bordel de merde. Eh bah putain. Comme quoi, il y a vraiment pas de bon ou de mauvais choix, quoi. C'est... Tous les choix sont mauvais et démerde-toi avec ça. Tous les morgistes, trophées débloqués. Alors, voilà. Abnégation, jouer 85% des joueurs, donc ça va le bébé, on l'avait vu tout à l'heure. Risque, êtes-vous allé aider Luc 50% des joueurs l'avaient fait. Loyauté, avez-vous demandé de pouvoir partir avec Mike? Vous et 94,1% des joueurs n'avez pas demandé à partir avec Mike, choix logique. Et après, c'est à la fin que je fais des choix pas du tout logiques. Avez-vous tiré sur Kenny? Vous et 30% des joueurs n'avez pas tiré sur Kenny. Amitié, au final, avec qui êtes-vous? Vous et 22% des joueurs êtes seulement avec Edgy. Oh putain, les choix de sociopathe à la fin, quoi. Ah. Donc ouais, bah du coup, Lord, tu peux nous raconter la fin avec Kenny maintenant. Oh, du coup, le remerciement de tous les animaux des créateurs du jeu, ça va être formidable, ça. Ça fera juste 5 fois que je le vois, je connais tous les animaux par cœur. Avec Kenny, vous trouvez la ville au nord, mais ils ont plus de suspense. Qu'est-ce que ça va être la bonne réponse? Ville, préservatif, bouteille d'eau, nourriture pour bébé, couche, place. Plus de place. Merde. Donc Kenny chiale et dit que vous êtes tout ce qui lui... Allez, je décale au lit, bonne soirée. Salut Théro. Bonne nuit, gros. reste, donc il n'y a que Alvin et toi qui peuvent y aller. D'accord. Qui peuvent y aller. Ah ouais, effectivement. Bon, dans les deux cas, elle finit toute seule, quoi. Et il se barre en mode grave stylé. D'explosion là, Michael fucking Bay. Des Transformers qui apparaissent, un barbecue qui explose, des tigres qui passent. Un bordel, frère. Et ben voilà, la fin. Et c'est pareil avec la salope, mais dans la ville du sud. D'accord, donc ouais, en fait, il y a que moi qui ai fait un choix qui était vraiment pas rationnel, quoi. Mais alors, vraiment pas rationnel. C'est con, parce que j'avais fait des choix où j'étais tout le temps plus ou moins dans la moyenne, tu vois. Ouais, tu vois, je suis toujours au-dessus. Bon, je dis pas que c'est une bonne chose, mais... Et à la fin, c'est parti complètement en tongue, quoi. Oh, arrête, tu vas me flatter. Beau parleur, va. Ça. Donc du coup, pour The Walking Dead, eh ben, les amis, c'est fini. On aura fait une fin de sociopathe solitaire à la Michonne, ce qui est plutôt classe, faut avouer. Le bébé en plus, mais bref. Comme dit Lord, l'aventure était plutôt cool. On va se laisser là donc pour The Walking Dead. Et à ceux qui sont là et qui ça intéresse, eh ben, notamment, bah, il y a que Lord. Alors, Lord, si tu veux rester, on va se faire un petit let's play que je vais lancer d'ici moins de 5 minutes. À tout de suite, et pour les autres, bonne soirée, bonne journée, bonsoir, bonjour, comment allez-vous? Tu veux quoi? Du café, du chocolat, du thé? Et à ciao les amis!